Hello everyone, welcome back to the Login channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can download and install the OpenSea application for your mobile device. So first you need to open the Google Play Store. Then on the search bar you type in OpenSea and tap on search. There you can see the application on the very top. Now you tap on install. And with that, the downloading process will begin. OpenSea is an American online non-fungible token marketplace. It is a gas-free marketplace for NFT on Polygon. You can create, buy, sell and auction NFT on the Polygon blockchain without paying any gas fee. So you can see here the application has been downloaded. Now you just tap on open. And with that, you have successfully downloaded and installed the OpenSea application for your Android device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Login channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.